Hi, my name is Veronica Anderson with Wreaths by Veronica. I am a wreath maker. Not only do I sell the wreaths I create, but I teach others like you to create your own masterpiece. Have you ever wondered, how do they come up with that design? How do they choose those colors? How do they make that beautiful bow? How long should I cut my ribbon tails? How do I attach my sign? Even, how do I add the greenery, the floral? Or where do I place them in the wreath? No need to worry. I got you. Join my masterclass group via website reachbyveronica.com/masterclass. It is a monthly subscription for $19.99 a month. Hope to see you in the group. Bye bye.